No? Broke the windshield.
I'll show you. Hey guys, welcome back to the Madera family. My name is Amelia. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been around for a while, thanks for coming back. Today we are going to be working more on the bus. Last episode we were showing you guys how we got the bus to start, and then today we're going to be cleaning up this mess and we're going to be putting wires back so then we can start on the roof raise. So we'll take you guys along as we get this cleaned up today. We are putting our wires back into the casing, but I wanted to go over the mistakes that we made so hopefully you guys don't make them. Number one is not being patient enough with the wires. Number two is cutting wires before testing. Number three is working too many wires at once. I highly recommend working one wire at a time. Number four, not labeling the wires. We had no idea what wire went to what, and it would be very helpful to label them. Number five is assuming we knew what wires went to where. Again, labeling is key. Number six, having two people work on the same wires or different wires at once. At this point, we've removed so many wires. If we had to put them all back together, we would not be able to. I think we removed about 30 pounds of unnecessary wires. You want to tell them what you did?
No. Broke the windshield.
I'll show you.
On purpose.
Yeah, broke the windshield. This is the second window that he's broken in the bus. He's grounded. We finally started putting the tubing back onto the wires. This is just to protect the wires. We are going to be raising the roof, so we don't want any moisture, anything to get to the wires. We're not professionals when it comes to wiring, but if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We can try and help you the best that we can, but mostly it's just trial and error. So next wiring dilemma is when we got the bus to start. Obviously you guys saw that in the last episode. This time we were taking wires, and when we would turn the lights on, the bus would start beeping. So what we found out is that it needs to be grounded in the back. So there's a ground wire that goes up to here, and if that's not connected, then it'll beep when we turn the lights on. So fun stuff. Okay, that's all for this week. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. I am so done with wiring. We'll see you guys next week.